Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment, where here we'll see what to do if your phone is not connecting to any network. First of all, the easiest thing to do is to go for airplane mode. There could be some kind of snag in your phone looking for a network, so simply switch on and switch off your airplane mode after 2-3 seconds. Then try to see whether your phone is on network or not. If you have gone through all these first aid kind of things like airplane mode, restarting the phone, all these things, but still your network is not connecting, then you can move further to the steps which I'm going to say you. So here in most of the latest phones, or at least up to 5-year-old phones, you can see this steps will work. So you have to go to your settings first. So once you go to settings, you can see here there will be mobile network. Simply go to mobile network. Once you go here, you can find your SIM cards here. So if both the SIMs are not working, then you can go individually to each of your SIMs, or else if one of your SIM is not consistently not catching up the network or not getting the network, you can go to that particular SIM. So for example, I'm going to this SIM, and here I can you can see there are 2 to 3 things over here, like prefer network type, access point names, career, or sometimes it will be written as operator. So simply click here, and you can see it is chosen as auto select. Sometimes if it is not on auto select, if it is like this, turn off auto select. For example, for this video I'm showing it. So as you can see, when I turn it off, you can see a host of networks will be shown up here, like Airtel 4G, 2G, Reliance, all these kind of networks, those are available here at this moment, will be shown up over here in this page. So here, don't put your mind or don't break your head to know or to decide which network I should choose. So simply what you do, click on auto select, keep it like this, and the phone will automatically select the best possible network available for that SIM card. So this is what you have to do. And similarly, it also goes with access point names. If you go here, this time this is a preferred network type. Sometimes what happens is by mistakenly or by something or some bug or somehow your phone would be in this network, like 2G only or 3G or 2G auto. But nowadays all the phones are coming in 5G or 4G. Well, this is my 4G phone, so I don't have to, I cannot have 5G, but whichever mode has the most Gs, that is most kind of signal, like 5G, 4G to 3G, 2G, select that, because it will have a lot of options. If your phone doesn't have that 5G or 4G network, it will automatically go to 3G or 2G, but go for the highest number of networks available or highest levels of networks available. So here for my phone, since it is not a 5G, it is 4G, so I must select this 4G, 3G, 2G auto. You can see here particularly when it is written auto, because if the signal is not that good or is weak, then it will automatically choose 2G or 3G. If you go for only 4G, if sometimes options are available like only 5G, only 4G, then it's not good, because if that network is not there, then it will not catch any network, not even 2G or 3G. So go for auto, the highest number of Gs that you have, preferably 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. So this you can check. And next what I'm saying is, just go back. If nothing works, then you can go for, that is your system settings, or in some phones it may be a general settings. Just go to backup and reset. In backup and reset, you can see there is something called reset phone. I'm not here formatting the phone, I'm just going here, and you can see reset network settings, reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, all these things. It will reset to defaults. So here you just need to know one thing, that it will not delete any data. It will only reset all the network related things, be it Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile network, all these things. And it is one of the sure shot techniques to make your network again come or again reach to your SIM card, so that you get a good network in your phone if nothing works out. So friends, I hope by these steps you'll definitely get your network, and if nothing works, then you have to go to your phone maker's care office or maintenance office and check your phone if there is any hardware problem or bigger problem which is not covered in this video here. So friends, that's it. I hope you learned something very useful thing. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.